herself part of Styles Pack, or how does she see herself right now?
I think she's a little bit of a loner right now. I mean, the most she sees is Kira, but it's fun because she's fighting her own crime, taking care of her own dirty business. So it's she's a little, all-encompassing, self-efficient.
So girl power, that's a big thing this season, apparently.
It is. I'm really excited that we've girl fights only. It's fun.
What is that like to train for with your co-stars?
It's been a blast. I mean, a lot of us have a lot of dancing background, come from a dancing background. A lot of us do, and so it's been fun. It's been easy.
Do you ever look at her and say, "I'm sorry, I gotta bench you right now"?
No, we're fine.
Okay. Well, at this point, is Peter even in the picture? Did he even care he's still alive and around the world?
Oh, I'm sure. I mean, he terrorizes her in her sleep and gets her to bring him back from the dead. But I don't think you get over that. But yeah, I'm sure. I don't know what her relationship is to Peter at the moment.
I would think she'd have some great revenge plan.
Probably.
Somewhere out there. She's gonna get him back one day. All right.